We're now going to look at blocks in tables. Now what I've got here is the title block, and the revision here on the title block has yet to be made into a block, but I've also got a revisions table on the drawing as well. So let's zoom in on the block first and make that into a block. We need to be on the right layer first of all. Now I want that all to go onto the title block layer. So I scroll down and find the title block layer. It's there. So when this becomes a block, it will assume the title block layer because all the objects there are on layer 0. So let's go to the block panel here on the Home tab and create block. And what I'm going to do is give that a name of Revision 1. So it's Revision 1. And the reason I'm giving it the name Revision 1 is not because it's the first revision, but it's because it's the first revision symbol. So I pick a point now, and that's going to be the center there of the circle that forms the block. And then I select the objects that make up the block. So that's going to be 1, 2 attributes, and then a circle and a triangle. I then right click to confirm, and the objects have been selected. I want to convert them to a block like so. I do not want them to be annotative. I want them to be in millimeters, so I OK that. Now, as soon as I do that, because it becomes a block, I then get my block attributes dialog box appearing. Now, the description at the moment is going to be revised table in layout, because that's what I've done. I've put a new table in the layout there, and the revision is going to stay at A. So when I OK that now, the revision becomes A. Now notice the description has not appeared anywhere. That's because I haven't set it up as a field. Now I'm going to put it in here first. So let's zoom in, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to cheat. I'm going to draw a line that goes from here to here like that, and I'm going to enter that. Now the reason I've done that, I can use that midpoint on that line as a middle center snap rather than mess around using object snap tracking in this case. Now I'm going to insert some text. So keeping it on the title block layer, I want single line text like so. Right click, justify, MC middle center, and there's my middle center point. Now the height of the text is going to be 3. Like so. Rotation angle 0. So those were defaults that I could have accepted there. There's my cursor. I now right click over the cursor and insert the field. Now I select object. Object like so. I select the block like so. Now where is that revision description? There it is there. Revised table in layout. I want first capital like so. I OK that, and it drops it there into the title block for me. I then press enter to confirm that and enter again. I can delete that line now that I used for the snap, and there it is. Now how about though if I put that into a table like so? I double click here, I then right click. Can I insert a block anywhere? No. Hit escape. Can I insert a block anywhere using that? No. So let's just click away from it. Click once and right click though. Insert here and block. So I only need to click on the cell once. There's my revision 1, the last block that I created. I'm going to auto fit it, rotation angle 0. Overall cell alignment, I want that to be middle center. I OK that. Notice it puts the information in again, and I need to put another block in there. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put revised table in layout again. Now, I have to do that again. Do I want to do that again? No, I don't. So I'm just going to leave that as it is and OK it, because I only want the block there. Yeah? I then go to this cell here, double click. What I'm going to do now is right click and insert field. Then I go object. Then I go select object there. If I select this block here and use the revision description there, it's revised table in layout. So I haven't used the block that I've inserted. That's purely for reference for the symbol. I click on OK there, revised table in layout. I close the text editor, and there we are. So I've inserted a block there, revised table in layout. I've inserted a block there and put the field value on the title block. So I can do that in either a title block or in a table as shown on the screen there.